up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. Hopefully you can hear me right now. Right now I'm actually en route to another race, exactly the kind of content that you guys want to see. With that being said, today we are racing a twin turbo R8, probably something that I bit off more than I could chew, but you know what? I've completely gutted the car at this point, giving myself every opportunity that I possibly can to set this up for the win. I just want to get more consistent. I do plan on getting the car out to the track very, very soon. In the next 2 months or so, there's an event coming up. So look, I'm looking forward to that. With that being said, I'm heading over to the spot right now. Hopefully everybody's safe. The car's running amazing right now. I honestly don't know what to expect from the R8. I don't know what kind of power it's making. There's very limited information on my end when it comes to that car. As far as I know, it's an E85 car on twin turbo setup. I don't know the size of the turbos. It's apparently on wastegate. I don't 100% know for sure if he's going to keep his word on that or if he's going to turn it up.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
Either way, it should be a fun run. Alright, we're out here at the spot. The car's being iced down right now. Hella cars are showing up. All the supercars pulling out for this one. It's about that time.
Oh shit, what up?
Sure you don't want to do 60?
Nah,
Come on,
you
bro.
called me out. Come on, bro.
I called you out for 60. But you guys are super.
Bro, look at I'm racing you in BBS's, bro. Come on now. I'm on wastegate.
50 to 150.
Yeah.
I'll count.
You count?
Yeah.
Make sure you count really loud.
You want me to yell it?
Yeah, because your car is fucking loud, bro. Hey, it's 1, 2, 3. That's it. Not 1, 2, 3. Go. Yeah.
Or you want it 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3. Just
okay.
And stay in your lane. That's all I ask.
Oh, if I spin bet, I'm letting out.
All right. So
It's not worth it.
if you're okay, so then if you're counting, I'll take left lane.
Yeah, so you can see me.
Yeah. So
I'll be right lane.
alright.
We're gonna meet back here or somewhere else.
Yeah, well, no, we can meet here.
One and done, right?
We're at. Did you want in the pot? So we're at 2350.
Okay, what are we at?
We'll start collecting.
Okay, we'll start.
Okay.
2350.
All right. And then we'll talk to you guys right now.
Yeah, for sure.
Are you guys comfortable having somebody hold the money, or?
Yeah.
And we're good for it. I got it all on. I got it all on Apple. There's not gonna be no dramas.
Apple Pay?
Nobody carries cash, bro. Apple Pay is out.
How are you gonna give it to me?
I have to go to the bank after.
Don't worry about it. I'm taking the win.
Dong, do you,
Hopefully, bro.
do you need a camera? I don't even have a camera on his car.
$1,000 super car.
Just both on.
Alright, we're gonna.
Alright, dude, it's about to go down.
I think we're in a lot of cars here. Yeah. I think we're just gonna have the.
Bro, make everyone stay here, bro.
There's gonna be at least 10 cars.
Like halfway
No.
cars.
At least.
Come out. Yeah, that's max. Other than that,
Just to keep you guys safe too, because if you guys like fucking see happens and cars behind you guys.
But I don't want to go and spin like somebody fucking rear end this side.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because everybody wants to go right after us.
Do you guys want any chase cars? Or we can probably do one chase car each too. Like each group. Well, none of our cars is gonna go, but one the Lambo's gonna go, and then one of you guys will go as well. So it'd be.
Want to go to the Camry?
So.
Is there going to be an end guy, like at the end of the race, or no?
Just in case it's close. No, it's a roll race. Yeah. got a GoPro on your car too? Yeah.
You have one? You want the one that I have?
He's gonna chase.
You sold me?
And you'll chase with the camera. So basically, just.
Or you want to get into the helicopter?
It's his rope. No, bro. It's his rope.
Yeah, no, that's what he said.
No, because I don't know if he wants the back one too.
So we can go.
What the fuck? Is that a plane? Okay, cool.
I've been checking. So once we get back in the it's actually pretty clear now. So you guys can
Yeah.
Just waiting on him. Yo. It's gonna be delayed, I think, no? Hold on, let me plug it in. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so if I just go 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, just 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so you just want me to do it over the phone then and have my window up?
Yeah, I feel like it's loud, bro.
I went on 3.
That was 2.
Hello?
Yo.
We're gonna do it right here?
Yeah. Hey, who is this right here, bro? Why is he fucking...
I don't know who it is.
I'll tell you when, alright?
Okay. Tell me when you're about to start so I can downshift.
I'm ready. Ready?
Yep. What?
Ready?
Yeah, you're not at 50.
I am at 50.
1, 2, 3.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2
Were you? It said
Yeah.
46 on my end.
No, I was at 50.
But good run, bro. I spun a little, but hey, thank you for the run, for real.
Alright.
I ain't going to casino now.
Like, hey, you're not at 50, you're not at 50, I'm at 50. But I should have. And then my gas was lower. I should have just.
Get on there.
You left on 2, and I didn't change. So.
Thank you. So what are we gonna do for the spread?
I say we go to the strip club. Go to Hong Kong.
Oh, you want to rerun me tomorrow?
You got the white one right here.
It's not that fast.
Honestly, I need to get a front runner. You look fine.
Bro, I was like 15 seconds on the brake loose.
Nah, we got video, bro.
We got videos too.
All right, guys, I am beyond happy right now. We did what we did tonight. We got the dub. Ended up being a $4,800 pot, $2,400 the side. They had hella bread on their side. They were at like $8,000 on their side. Well, obviously everybody's gonna bet on the supercar, right? But you know, this little Roush, it's pretty good work, baby. Super happy with the result. I don't even know how to feel right now, bro. We like literally, we just beat a fucking supercar, a twin turbo supercar. And obviously there's hella excuses on his end or whatever, but at the end of the day, he paid, no drama. Salute to him on that. I gotta go home a happy man right now. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed tonight's video. I don't know when I'm going to even have time to edit this. I've been so busy with life lately. Alright guys, with that being said, hopefully you enjoyed tonight's video. If you did, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Until next time, I'm checking out.